Wondering which 3-burner gas stove brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, V-Guard 3-burner gas stove brand faces quality issues. Second, Glen 3-burner gas stove brand grapples with poor quality. Third, Bajaj 3-burner gas stove brand encounters customer is not satisfied. Fourth, Blowhot 3-burner gas stove brand confronts quality issues. And fifth, Faber 3-burner gas stove brand suffers from low quality product, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended 3-burner gas stove brands, including: first one, Milton 3-burner gas stove. Second, Prestige 3-burner gas stove. Third, Elica 3-burner gas stove. Fourth, Butterfly 3-burner gas stove. Let's see the comparison. Indulge in culinary perfection with 3 burners from Milton, Prestige, Elica, and Butterfly gas stoves. Crafted with precision, all 3-burner gas stoves brands feature durable brass burners for efficient cooking. Elegance meets functionality with toughened glass bodies across Milton, Prestige, Elica, and Butterfly 3-burner gas stoves. Trivets come in varied materials: glass for Milton 3-burner gas stove, and stainless steel for Prestige, Elica, and Butterfly 3-burner gas stove. Experience convenience with right side gas inlets for Milton and Prestige 3-burner gas stove, and backside inlets for Elica and Butterfly 3-burner gas stove. Unmatched durability: each 3-burner gas stove is wear resistant, built to withstand the test of time. Rest easy knowing all 4 brands are Indian Standards Institute certified, ensuring the highest safety standards. Navigate your cooking journey effortlessly with manual burners on Milton, Prestige, Elica, and Butterfly gas stoves. Maintenance made simple with non-removable spill trays across all 4 gas stove brands. Support best manufacturing. Choose gas stoves proudly made in India from Milton, Prestige, Elica, and Butterfly 3-burner gas stoves. Find your perfect fit with varying weights: Milton 3-burner gas stove at 7.5 kg, Prestige 3-burner gas stove at 6.2 kg, Elica 3-burner gas stove at 8.1 kg, and Butterfly 3-burner gas stove at 5.1 kg. Enjoy reliable service with good availability for Milton 3-burner gas stove, excellent for Prestige 3-burner gas stove, and good for Elica and Butterfly 3-burner gas stoves. Elevate your kitchen with excellent build quality from Milton and Elica 3-burner gas stoves, and good quality from Prestige and Butterfly 3-burner gas stoves. Secure your investment with warranties ranging from 1 year for Milton and Butterfly 3-burner gas stoves to 2 years for Prestige and Elica 3-burner gas stoves. Let me see the common and good things in all these 3-burner gas stove brands. Unleash culinary creativity for your large family with this 3-burner gas stove, perfect for accommodating the cooking needs of 8 members. Elevate your multitasking game with multiple cooking options simultaneously, making meal preparation a seamless and efficient experience. Experience the perfect blend of style and comfort with its ergonomically designed features, ensuring a delightful cooking journey. Versatile and compact, it seamlessly fits into residential kitchens, food trucks, and bachelor rooms, catering to diverse lifestyles. From hotels to catering companies, embrace the culinary excellence with a gas stove ideal for various commercial settings in the hospitality industry. Embrace the convenience of both LPG and PNG support, offering flexibility and adaptability to your cooking preferences. Trust the online favorite, the most selling 3-burner gas stove brand, ensuring a reliable and top-notch cooking experience. Stay grounded with confidence as the anti-skid rubber legs provide stability, ensuring safety in the kitchen. Simplify your life with easy maintenance, keeping your cooking haven effortlessly clean and ready for your next culinary adventure. Rely on the durability and strength of the pan stand, a testament to the enduring quality that stands the test of time. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Milton 3-burner gas stove holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Prestige 3-burner gas stove has good 4-star rating. Elica 3-burner gas stove holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and Butterfly 3-burner gas stove has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: 3-burner gas stove, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Before buying a 3-burner gas stove, make sure to check the material of the burners, the warranty, how easy it is to use, and go for a well-known brand that's certified for quality. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.